I'm going to be showing you guys this really cool boat mirror. And the first thing I did was installed this little rubber piece right here onto the console where I'm going to be installing it just to protect it. And this is going to go right here. Just like that. You're just going to screw that down. Okay, so now that I have this installed, see, it was super easy, just 2 screws. I'm going to swing around to this side, and you can see I have it positioned. I can position it, I can adjust it any way I want, but I'm going to have this positioned so I can see the riders in the back. You probably can't see it with the camera, but this is really good for whenever I'm pulling tubes and stuff like that, so I don't have to sit there and look like this, you know. If you're sitting there pulling a tube or a knee board or something like that, I gotta sit there and watch like this so I can't see what's in front of me, which is kind of dangerous. So instead of having to look back there and make sure they haven't fell off or anything like that, you got the little mirror back there. You can watch them. You can watch for whenever they're gonna fall off, and you can keep an eye on what's in front of you. So yeah, nice little mirror for tubing, kneeboarding, all that good stuff. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.